guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will install QEMO in my Omarchy. I was thinking of installing VirtualBox or virtual machine.
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Okay, VirtualBox. But so now I decided to do research. Okay guys, so we are going to start our recording. In the screen, you can see two browsers. One is for the Google and one is for the terminal. So to open the terminal in your Omarchy, you just press window and then enter. It will open. Okay, so we are going to download QEMU using our terminal, but you can also do that by going to the website of qemu.org and then you download the ISO that you want, which is always go with the latest. And then but we are going to show we're going to download it using the terminal. So to run or to download QEMU in your terminal, in your Omarchy, press Windows key and then enter. All right, boom. Now we are going to install the QEMU. We already did that, so but I just want to show you how to do it. Sudo space pacman space dash big letter S qemu dash full and hit enter. It will ask for your password. Put your password and done. Since you already installed, it will just ask us to update. But this is how you install. So I'll just click letter Y and then press enter. Boom. Okay. So here on top, you can see that we have a guide. Yeah, I made a script. Okay. Now, we're done installing the QEMO. We are going to make an image for our QEMO. Here is the command line. So we start qemu img space create space dash f space qcow and then 2 and then space image and then .img .10g. We're putting 10 gigabytes for our image. I'll press enter and now it creates. That's it. You see on the bottom. Make it a little bigger and see the whole screen. Now we are going to install our Manjaro inside QEME. Our QEMU. So I showed in my first video, you can go to the website of Manjaro, install the ISO, and then from there, we'll start running QEMU, and then Manjaro inside it. So let's see. All right, we'll type QEMU. All right, dash system dash x86. So that's our QEMU 64, and then dash boot. It will boot in our D, and then dash cdrom, and then the file path of our Manjaro home dash nell dash Manjaro, and the complete name GNOME. I did GNOME, but you can choose other what is it, user interface, dash 25.0 dot oops dot 0 dot 9 dash 25.1003 dash Linux x Linux 612 dot ISO, and then space dash m space 4G, and then is there a space? Let me think. Yeah. Home dash nell. All right. So file, this is the location of our image that we created, image.img. Stand by and then we press enter. All right, there you go. There you go, friendies. It's working here on the bottom. You see? Hold on. I hope I can make it. Okay, perfect. Hold on, hold on.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Right, guys, here you go. Here is our welcome to Manjaro. Awesome. Guys, I think that's all for this video.
Alright guys, that's a quick video on how to install QEMU in your Omarchy. I'm still learning and exploring different tools in Omarchy, but if you have questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and of course, do not subscribe. Okay, subscribe my video. Bye-bye!